2015 Chevy 1500. Yes, 1500. The thumbnail maybe caught you off guard, but it is a 1500. It has a L5P Duramax 2500 front end conversion. So it looks very unique. It's obviously a 1500 body with a big front, but I think it fits awesome, especially being lifted as much as it is. I think it absolutely fits perfectly. So he's got a 10 to 12 Cognito lift. He said it's set on 10, and so it's absolutely huge. 24 by 15 forged wheels. So yes, 15 wides. That's crazy. 24 by 14. That was like the big thing. It's even wider now. We got 24 by 15 with a 375 tire. And so if all of that isn't good enough, he's got a Pro Charger, and this is a 5.3 truck. So Pro Charge 5.3. I saw he has 456 gears, so that helps out a ton as well. But this truck is just an absolute beast. I can only imagine what it would be like if it was maybe lowered and set up for actually going fast. Even so, it's still insanely quick and burnout friendly and whatnot. It just looks awesome. It does appear that he has got a new engine for it. I'm not sure if the other one let go or not, but in his most recent post, he's talked about he just got a new one put in there. So definitely follow him on Instagram, and I'm sure there's going to be a ton of footage to check out and really see his build progress, because obviously it never stops, especially when you're dealing with high horsepower and lifted trucks and the whole 9 yards. I'm sure this build will continue on and be awesome for a long time to come. But with all that being said, hopefully you do enjoy a little choppy chop and some boost action. Let's do it.